Hey, what's up, Bepro network holders? So this time Bepro network is completely on the trending and get a profit. Every holder, my brother, remember to Bepro is in the trending and definitely completely moving in upward direction. Last 7 days, 127.5% profit. I can't expect this, my brother. All currencies, my brother, were fails down, but in last 7 days, you can see, my brother, 127% profit, my brother. This is mind-blowing crash pull change occur and completely on the trending. So don't miss this, my friends, chance. And just an only hold it, my brothers. Hold it if you have already holders, so please hold. And definitely if you have any plan to invest, my brother. So I think this time, my brother, Bepro is one of the trending coins, so kindly don't miss this chance and get a profit, my brothers. Please invest now. This time, my brother, I will talk about, my friends, the more gems of a Bepro network to upcoming time. There is a chance, so they will move in a direction. Yes, absolutely, my brother. There is a lot of chances, but my brother, I will give you a proof now. Let's see, my brother. But kindly, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. Please click the red button, man, subscribe channel. All right, this chart is completely, my brother. You can see here today will moving in upward direction, and especially, my brother, all currencies will fails down in this time. So that's clear, my brothers. To upcoming time, they will moving in upward direction because the arrows is moving. The last arrows, you can see, my friend, moving in upward direction, and everybody know this, my brothers. During the last 10 days of month, every coin will moving in upward direction. So I am so happy to see this now. Congratulations, my brother, this time, my friend. You can see here, oh my goodness, all month they will also lost now. Just in only they moving in straight direction, not dumps, not pumps, my brother. But in last 10 days, they will give you a profit now. 0.009137 USD dollar price, latest price, my brother, and definitely 141% profit in last 1 month, my brother. So this is absolutely, my friends, make records, my brother. And definitely, my friend, you can see here this time the price will be, you can see the current price 0.008, so the price will be decreasing because, my brother, for a short time they will fail us down. So therefore don't see, my friend, this price change occurring now. So I hope, my brother, Bepro network will completely blooms all market now and they will moving in upward direction. But if you hold it now, so please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the pancake swap will be price will be increasing now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel because ABS6 channel will guide you, update you and give you, my friends, with a proof. Absolutely give you guarantee to they will make you a millionaire now. They will give you a profit now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.